In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in WPS Office. To begin, move your mouse over the profile icon at the top right corner of your WPS Office window, then click on your name. Next, go to the center section and click on your profile icon. If this is the first time you are changing your profile picture, your profile icon will likely display the initial of your name. When you hover your mouse over this initial, you will see the option to change it. Click on that option. A window will appear prompting you to select an image to upload. Browse your computer for the image you want to use and click Open. Once your image is selected, adjust the edges of the box to ensure that your photo is displayed at the correct angle and size, according to your preference. When you are satisfied with the positioning and size of your image, click Confirm. Your profile picture will now be updated successfully. Changing your profile picture in WPS Office is a simple process that helps personalize your account and makes it easier for others to recognize you. Remember, you can update your profile picture at any time following the same steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.